Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Garen in Wild Rift. Garen is a fantastic champion for new players and veterans alike, known for his straightforward yet effective kit. He thrives in the barren lane, soaking up damage and dishing it out. His passive, Perseverance, allows him to quickly recover health when not taking damage, making him very sustainable in lane. Understanding these core mechanics is your first step to mastering the might of Demacia. Let's dive into Garen's powerful abilities and how to combine them effectively. His third ability, Judgment, is your primary damage source, spinning rapidly to hit all nearby foes. For a simple combo, activate Decisive Strike, then immediately follow with Judgment. When an enemy champion is low on health, unleash your ultimate, Demacian Justice, to secure the kill. Remember to use Courage defensively to mitigate incoming damage during fights. Building Garen correctly enhances his power significantly. A strong first item is Black Cleaver, which reduces enemy armor and provides health and attack damage. Follow this with Steraks Gauge for a massive shield when your health drops low, greatly increasing your survivability. Dead Man's Plate is also excellent for movement speed and extra defense. For runes, Conqueror is a top choice, granting bonus attack damage as you fight, making your spins even more deadly. Mastering Garen's strategy involves understanding his role throughout the game. In the early game, concentrate on last-hitting minions and using Decisive Strike to poke your lane opponent. As the mid-game approaches, you can either split push to pressure side lanes or join your team for objectives. In team fights, aim to protect your squishier allies and execute low-health enemies with your ultimate. Always look for opportunities to surprise foes from brush.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.